guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for the channel. Thanks for joining once again for another review and another unboxing. Got another unboxing for you guys today. This statue's been out for quite some time now. It's pretty big, as I believe how many of them was made? 750 was made. This is number 3. I got this off eBay. Unfortunately, Hollywood Collectors Gallery had them out of stock, so I got this on eBay for a decent price. And as you can see, it says Hollywood Collectible Group, Resident Evil Nemesis quarter scale Colosus statue. Okay, so we're gonna be doing an unboxing for that. Came actually yesterday. Okay, let's get this box out of the box. That's the worst part about them, is removing these boxes from the boxes and it becomes a pain of fucking ass. And this statue is pretty fucking heavy, so I'm gonna have to do it laying down. Give me 1 second, guys. Now, those who collect statues know that every time you gotta remove that, sorry for the mess, and remove this box out of that fucking brown shipper, it's a fucking pain in the ass, okay? But here he is. It's a bit of a mess in my room. Here we go. Edition number 3 out of 750. If you want to pause and read, be my guest. Let's get this bad boy open. Oh boy, this came off ripped, not good. Yeah, the whole box came shebanged. That's bad. That is bad. I have to glue this box. Now I gotta remove this. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So unfortunately, the box I had to glue the box because the box was all fucked up. And mind you, the statue did not just come out. It's been out for quite some time now. So of course, the box eventually is stored in certain areas will be dry, and it's gonna come apart, unfortunately. So my main priority right now is for the statue to be in one piece. That's the only main priority for me. So let's see. I don't know why they put them sideways. I just don't understand why he is sideways. But let me show you guys slowly how he came packaged. And this is a big package because look at this, the Gatling gun, or the minigun if you want to call that. And his rocket launcher is right here, and the stand is right here. I'm gonna get the stand out first. 1 second, guys. It's terrible. Stand is really heavy. Really heavy stand, guys. Got weight to it, a lot of it. So yeah, here we go. I'm just gonna show it to you. We got numbers. Oh man, shit. Number 3. Hopefully this table can hold him. Hopefully this table can't hold him. I'll put this somewhere. Hold on, guys. We're gonna get him out next. 1 second, guys. A couple of things. Let's get him out next. One thing I can tell you is for these kind of statues, you always need a lot of room. A lot. Because these are very big and heavy and tall. So you always need... Where the fuck is the peg? I'm not sure how to put him. He's this way. But he's very heavy. Can't fucking see anything. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Where is this big? There we go. And the good thing about the earlier numbers is the quality. The quality of the paint job. That's the best thing when it comes to these numbers. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. But this one's painted really well. I know for a fact that usually the earlier ones always get all the attention. Always. So give me 1 second. I'm just fix this. Now we're gonna put his Gatling gun or his minigun in his hand. I believe these are all magnetized. Let's see. Let me see if this is correct. This way. This way. Let me see if that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. I'm just gonna stick it in here. I can't see shit. There we go. Now, I personally would prefer the earlier statue. That was, I believe, that was the smaller scale one, which was about this big, and just with the rocket launcher, because they going based by the movie, and I wasn't too found with him being with a minigun. I would just rather have him with a rocket launcher. That's why. So, of course, because these are limited editions, I had to have one. Here's the rocket launcher. Pretty big. Let's get him. Look at this, see? Let's put that inside this. It goes right here. Shit. The hole is so fucking small. I can't even fucking see anything. Unless he holds it up. No? Okay, correct. Sorry guys. Stick it in here. I'm not sure which way it's supposed to fucking face. Okay, hold on. So, oh, okay, so there's an arm right here. Okay. Fucking see a fucking thing. Unless that goes in the arm first. Right, and this one goes in second. That's weird. And this has to be forced in because that part went in easy. The bottom over here is the one that's really has to be pushed in. But otherwise, he looks amazing. Looks fucking badass, guys. Check it out. The paint job on him, perfect. I've seen some with a dull paint job. This one is just fucking perfect. Great fucking paint job. Except I gotta find out if this over here supposed to be like that. I have to go look up a lot of videos on YouTube and see if this actually is supposed to be on his coat. But otherwise, he looks badass. Very tall. It's sad he's not gonna fit in my fucking Vesta. So now I have to try to fit him in here somehow. I don't know, because of the rocket launcher, I don't think the doors are even gonna fucking close unless I even fucking make it sideways. So we'll see. But I do love this fucking statue. The detail on him, just unbelievable. Very nice. As you can see, guys, he's very, very tall. Very tall. Try to turn it a bit. And he's about 52 pounds. Well, with the whole box is 52 pounds, but without the box, it should be maybe at least 45 pounds, possibly. Okay. There he is. Nemi. I wouldn't say he's from the game. I would say he's more fucking from Resident Evil Apocalypse more. Because of the fucking minigun. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.